How to clean up C drive in your Windows to free up your disk space and speed up your laptop. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step safe guide. So let's just dive right in. So we can use built-in disk cleanup. For that, we can press Windows plus I, go to System, and within there go to Storage, and here you can look out for the items like temporary files, recycle bins, something like that, and go ahead and click on remove files. You can select the option and click on remove files and confirm it up, and that should do it. Or we can use disk cleanup tool as well. For that, we can just head over, type in Windows plus R. After that, type in clean mgr, hit enter, and here you can select up your C drive. Click on OK and confirm it up, and you can check the unnecessary items and go ahead and clean up those. Check it up, click on OK and confirm it up, and that should also delete it. Also, you need to empty out your recycle bins also sometimes. You can open up your file explorer, look out for your recycle bin and go ahead and find it up, and you can select all, select all. After that, shift and delete and permanently delete it. Click on yes, and that should delete it. You can confirm this up as well. And if you want to uninstall unused applications, you can go to your settings, go to apps, within there look out for install applications, and you can sort it out by size, etc. And once you do so, you can remove the software by clicking on the three dot, look out for uninstall option and confirm it up and remove it. You can avoid removing drivers or system components. And also you can just go and enable storage sense automatic cleaning. Go to Windows plus I, go to System, head over to Storage, and within there look out for the option called Storage Sense and turn this option on right here, and this automatically clears out the temporary files and empties your recycle bin. And that's it. Those are probably the method you can follow up and clean up your disk space on your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.